Day
Day
11.
11, tip 11, volunteer at a senior center or a homeless shelter. And for, on the business side, write a list of what's working and what's not working in your business.
Okay. On the life side, we get caught up in ourselves. We forget about other people, and we think our problems are the only problems. So get out of yourself and get to a place where you can remember that there are other things, other perspectives in life. Go volunteer at a senior center or at a homeless shelter. Ask, not just do stuff there, but ask the people there what you think, what is happening in their lives. You know, get new perspectives and encourage those people as well. On the business end, a lot of times we get so busy doing stuff. We go from activity to activity that we never take the time to see what is bringing in return. You know, and if you've ever heard of, you know, the 80-20 rule, they say that 20% of your activity should bring about 80% of the results. So you need to focus in on that 20%. A lot of the stuff, if we're spending our time really worrying and bothering about that 80% too much, and never really figuring out what is working, what's bringing in revenue, and what is bringing us closer to their goals, then we may be spinning our wheels quite a bit. So we got to get clear on those things and then adjust as necessary.